Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we turn off dark mode setting in our Oppo phone. Guys you don't like guys this dark mode, this dark background setting guys. So how can you turn off in your Oppo phone guys? In this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting to turn off dark mode setting guys. If you don't like this dark mode you can off in your Oppo phone guys, scroll it guys, click on guys brightness setting. Then guys you can see your dark mode setting friends, and guys you can see your light mode setting. So friends you want to off your dark mode, so guys click on guys your light mode setting. Guys after 3 seconds guys your dark mode will off and guys your light mode will on. So you can see guys dark mode will off in our Oppo phone guys. You can see guys your background is white. So like that guys you can turn off your dark mode in your Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic guys. Before going please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.